Heat capacity and specific heat capacity. Let's imagine the process of boiling water in iron pot. Before you turn on the fire or before the heating process started, dip your finger in the water and then tap your finger outside the iron pot. Do you feel any heat? Not yet, because the heating process is not started yet. After 1 minute of heating, again dip your finger in the water. You will feel a little bit warmer, right? And then tap your finger outside the iron pot. Ouch, it's really hot. Why the iron pot is hotter than the water inside the iron pot? We can explain this situation using the concept of specific heat capacity. The specific heat capacity of iron metal is 0.45 joule per gram per degree Celsius, while the specific heat capacity of water is 4.18 joule per gram per degree Celsius. The specific heat capacity of iron metal means if we want to increase the temperature of 1 gram of iron metal by 1 degree Celsius, the iron metal need to absorb 0.45 joule of energy or heat. While the specific heat capacity of water means if we want to increase the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius, the water need to absorb 4.18 joule of energy or heat. Dalam ayat mudah macam ni lah. Air ni, kalau dia nak naikkan suhu sebanyak 1 degree Celsius, air tu kena serap haba sebanyak 4.18 joule. Tapi iron metal, logam besi ni, kalau nak tingkatkan suhu sebanyak 1 degree Celsius, dia hanya perlu serap haba sebanyak 0.45 joule sahaja. That means iron metal ni, kalau dia nak naikkan suhu, dia hanya perlu serap sikit sahaja haba. Berbanding air, kalau nak naikkan suhu, dia kena serap lebih banyak haba. That's why iron pot ni lebih cepat panas berbanding air dekat dalam dia. So we can say that if the value of specific heat capacity is higher, that means energy required to heat up the substance is also higher. And if the value of specific heat capacity is lower, the energy required to heat up the substance is also lower. Actually, there are two important terms that you need to understand. The first one is specific heat capacity and the second one is heat capacity. The symbol of specific heat capacity is the small letter of C and the symbol for heat capacity is the capital letter of C. The definition for specific heat capacity is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of the substance by 1 degree Celsius. While the definition of heat capacity is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of a given quantity of the substance by 1 degree Celsius. Actually, definition untuk specific heat capacity dan heat capacity ni hampir sama macam yang saya explain sebelum ni. Cuma perbezaan dia yang specific heat capacity ni, dia adalah amount of heat untuk 1 gram substance. Tapi kalau yang heat capacity, tak ada perkataan specific dekat depan, dia adalah amount of heat untuk given quantity. Maksudnya quantity yang diberikan, tidak semestinya 1 gram. The unit for specific heat capacity is joule per gram per degree Celsius and the unit for heat capacity is joule per degree Celsius. So ingat yang specific heat capacity dia spesifik untuk 1 gram. Thank you for watching.